Hello, my name is Divine Southgate-Smith. I'm an artist currently enrolled at the Royal Academy of Arts, London. I'm very much interested in storytelling and the way a story translates very differently depending on the medium of choice. Take a Second to Breathe was created at a time where it seemed the world was calling us all to attention. It was a time for accountability. It was also a time of distress. I wanted to create something for my community, a celebration of Black joy, a sense of agency and empowerment. The title of the work is a simple gesture. Take a second, breathe, and absorb. You can watch Take a Second to Breathe in the Immersive room at Browns East, closing July 13th.